Welcome to Fortune Tech Debate, where we debate the issues of the day in 2 minutes. Today we're discussing Netflix. Stocks are down across the board on fears of a potential trade war, and yet Netflix is crushing it. Alex, what's the deal?
So I actually canceled my Netflix subscription a few weeks ago, and I think that I will not be alone over time.
So you're not just a cord cutter, you're cutting the subscription.
I didn't find myself watching it enough. Now, there's a lot of addictive programming on Netflix, but I think that it will be incredibly competitive over time for more and more of those types of programs, because Disney's coming in with more things like that, going to have its own streaming network in the not so distant future, probably priced below Netflix. You also have cable channels or cable production channels like AMC looking to have better distribution across multiple platforms. Nobody wants to be tied into Netflix. That makes Netflix more and more of a hit-driven business. And if it's a hit-driven business, those always have ups and downs.
It may be a hit-driven business, and yet the fact that Netflix has managed to amass so many subscribers to its platform, and once you get those subscribers on the hook, they continue to pay, quarter after quarter. It's still adding millions of people every quarter. It seems like this thing has a long runway to go. Shares are trading at about $400 right now, and yet some analysts say it can go up to $500. That's their price target for it.
It's already up over 100% this year. I am not saying that Reed Hastings is
doubling.
not. It's doubling. It's huge. And then, double again, or another 100 on top would be huge. I'm not saying Reed Hastings isn't a great CEO, isn't a genius. I'm just not sure.
Which he is.
He is. To me, it looks a lot like AOL Time Warner, where it's not like AOL was a bad business. It just wasn't worth what people thought it was. And this is what it feels like to me.
Well, hey, AOL is still getting money from those subscribers today as we speak. They're giving money to Verizon now, the owner of AOL.
At a much lower level. It's now an $800 million company or something.
For sure. But Netflix, you said it's a hit-driven business. They are trying so hard to get all of these new hit TV shows and, TV shows, movies. They've got Stranger Things. They're inking a deal with Dark, the German language TV show that's been all the rage. It seems like they've got enough in their stable to keep moving forward.
I'm not signing up again.
Well, that's all we have time for today. Come to Fortune.com for more tech debate.